Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have your input string and a C hash project. Start by creating a hash set char and a string builder. The hash set records which characters you've seen, so duplicates are skipped. This is end time. Once done, loop each char in the string, check hash set. Contains, if false, append to string builder and add to hash set. Make sure to choose case sensitivity now, because handling upper versus lower will change membership checks and results. Now implement the loop. For each character C, if the hash set does not contain C, append C to the string builder and add C to the hash set. This avoids repeated string allocations and runs in linear time. If you need case-insensitive behavior, call to lower invariant on characters before checking. If you want to ignore spaces, prefilter or skip them in the loop. Once you finish the loop, call string builder to string to get the deduplicated result. Finally, convert the string builder to a string and return or assign it where needed. That completes removal of duplicate characters while preserving order. Make sure to test edge cases like empty or null inputs, strings of only duplicates, and Unicode combining characters. If results look wrong, check whether you normalized case or trimmed whitespace earlier, and confirm you used char-level membership instead of substring checks. If needed, adjust for call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.